Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Berk Kaplan and I'm a car designer. I love to share my experience and knowledge here with you. So if you don't know me and if you're into car design, just hit that subscribe button. Guys, today is Sunday and we all want to just chill and rest. Of course do that, but also don't forget that Sundays are great for practicing and improving yourself. So while enjoying and chilling, I would suggest you to just practice 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It will definitely help you to improve your skill. Maybe it sounds like 10 minutes is not enough, so you just want to collect these days and after that, one day you will sit and work for hours and maybe you think it's more effective, but no, working a little bit every day is more effective than working like once a week but a long-term work. And soon you will watch how I did this sketch in 10 minutes in real time, and for doing this I used my templates from my template pack from my online car design course. Here you can see some of the templates, and on this specific sketch I used this one, which is SUV 3/4 rear A. You can print this out or you can put it on Photoshop or your iPad or whatever you want, even on your smartphone if you feel comfortable. And you can just sketch over it 10 minutes and it will help you to improve your skills. And on my course, I have more than 2 hours of video that will help you to sketch like a professional car designer. So let's jump into the video to see how I sketch this in exact 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please hit that like button and tell me your opinions on the comments. I would really like to see also your 10-minute sketches. I love to interact with you guys, so you can write me on Instagram or tag me on Instagram, and I will definitely check out your sketch. See you on the next time.